Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on your Xiaomi device. This feature allows for quick, intuitive searches directly from your screen. We will cover the simple steps to enable and utilize this powerful tool, making information gathering incredibly efficient. You'll discover how to effortlessly search for anything you see, enhancing your daily mobile experience. Let's dive right into the setup process. To begin, open your device's main settings application. From there, locate either the AI services or additional settings section, depending on your specific software version. Within this menu, you will find a toggle labeled Circle to search. Simply tap to switch it on. This crucial first step ensures the feature is ready for use across your entire phone, providing a seamless search experience whenever you need it. Once activated, using Circle to search is incredibly straightforward. Simply long press the Home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. This action will pause your current view and activate the search overlay. Then, use your finger to draw a circle or highlight any object, text, or image you wish to search. The system will instantly provide relevant results without leaving your current application. For the most accurate results, try to use Circle to search in well-lit environments, especially when identifying physical objects. When circling, be as precise as possible around your target item to help the AI understand your intent. Remember, you can also combine circling with text selection for more detailed queries. This powerful feature is designed to save you time and effort, making information just a quick gesture away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.